guys, it's playtime today. We have the Minnie Mouse microwave surprise with Play-Doh Surprise. Let's put this inside the Minnie Mouse oven. Let's get our surprise. Let's find out what is this. We got Mickey. Let's clean up Mickey's face. There you go, Mickey. Here we got our purple Play-Doh.
What a wonderful smell!
I wonder what is this? A can of purple Play-Doh. Let's open the lid. Oh, we got a toy. Let's take it out. Oh, teeny tiny Minnie Mouse Tsum Tsum. A very cute Minnie Mouse Tsum Tsum. Let's see if it's yummy. We have a yellow surprises. We obviously have toys inside. We got toys. We have Adventure Time sticker. Let's stick it here. There you go. And we got a figure of Dora the Explorer. She's wearing a pink dress and pink shoes with a white collar. Very cute. And we have a figure of Masha from Masha and the Bear Show. Let's get another doll. It's a light pink Peppa Pig doll. What letter is this? Yeah, that's right. It's letter P.
Next, I'm ready.
Oh, look at that! Pink surprise egg. Now time to find out our surprise. What is this? Oh, we got the fairy godmother.
Time to enjoy our treats.
We sure would enjoy it. A can of Play-Doh. Let's find out the surprise inside this Play-Doh. Ooh, what is this? Let's find out what is this. Oh, looks like we have a stamper. Look, it's Princess Ariel. Oh wow, look what we got! A Minnie Mouse blind bag. Let's see who we got. I see pink. Oh, how cool! We got Figaro. How cool! And she comes with a pink bed. Isn't it Figaro so cute? Oh.
What a wonderful smell!
We got a Finding Dory blind bag. I'm sure you know who this is. It's Hank! Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, more toys and surprises. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one!
Isn't